Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Anila Putri Aptatyanari and you can call me Dia. I am number 3. So today I would like to talk about one of the most unique and energetic cultural tradition in Bali. It's not as a widely known international as some other festival, but for the Balinese people, especially those living in Mungu village, it's a deep cultural and spiritual meaning. The event I want to talk about is a Mokotek, also known as a Ngarabak Mokotek. Mokotek is a traditional ritual performed by the village of Mungu in the Mengwi, Badung. The main feature of this event is a large gathering of men carrying a long wooden stick made from pohon kayu pule. These sticks are encouraged to form a tall, pointed tower, and the participants push them together while cheering loudly. The whole scene looks lively, powerful, and full of togetherness for many people. Mokotek is not just a ritual, it's a symbol of unity and protection for the village. And what is the event actually for? Originally, Mokotek was a performance as a way to ask for protection, harmony, and victory. The tradition dates back to the era of the Mongwi kingdom, when the ritual was believed to strengthen the village spiritually before going into the battle. Over time, it evolved into the ceremony to cleanse and protect the village from negative force. Nowadays, Mokotek is a carved out an expression of gratitude and as a spiritual reminder that the community must stand together in both good times and difficult times. The ritual is held twice a year, especially during the celebration of Kuningan, which is 10 days after Galungan. Kuningan is a holiday in Balinese Hinduism that marks the return of ancestral spirits to heaven after visiting the families on earth. During this time, the village believe it's important to perform Mokotek to maintain balance and ensure blessing for the community. So, if you visit in Mungu village on a Kuningan day, we will definitely witness this powerful tradition. And unlike some festivals that take place in a large cultural center or a temple, Mokotek happens right on the street of Mungu village, near the central temple Kalsapura Desa Mungu. The participants begin the ritual by praying at the temple, and then they walk through the village streets while performing the Mokotek protection. This makes the whole village feel alive as the sound of cheering, chanting, and wooden stick clashing fills the air. If you enter Mokotek, you are several amazing things you can observe. First, you will see hundreds of men, young and old, carrying long wooden poles. They raise the stick high into the air and press them against its altar until they form a pyramid-like shape. One of the most interesting parts is when a brave participant climbs to the top of the tower stick. He stands proudly while the others support the structure from below. When the formation becomes unstable, the crowd lets a lot of cheers and the sticks scatter dramatically before the group rebuilds the structure again. It is intense but also very exciting to watch. You can also experience the festival atmosphere surrounding the ritual. Traditional music such as kulku drum and a gamelan instrument accompany the procession. The village where the traditional Balinese attire, the streets are decorated with offerings. Local families often gather outside their homes to watch and support the participants. Beyond that, visitors can also explore the cultural side of the event. Before the procession begins, there are prayers and offerings at the temple. These rituals allow outsiders to understand the deep spiritual meaning behind Mokotek, showing that it's not just a physical performance, but also from a devotion and a respect to enter and central spirits and pillars guardians. In addition to watching the ritual, you can interact with the local people, learn about the history of Mokotek, or enjoy traditional Balinese snack prepared by village. It's a great opportunity to see a side of Bali that's authentic and deeply connected community life. To conclude, Mokotek is a free bath and a meaningful tradition held in Mungu village during Kuningan. It symbolizes unity, protection, and gratitude. The event involves the village carrying a long wooden stick and performing dramatic pyramid-like structure accompanied by music, cheering, and traditional ritual. For everyone who wants to experience a unique cultural celebration and reflects the strength and spirit of Balinese community life, Mokotek is truly unforgettable. That's all from me. Thank you.